Hi guys, today we're going to see how to create a realistic sunlight effect in Adonai. First, go to the images and video section and select the scene where you want to apply the lighting effect. Next, choose the custom lighting option and select indoor daytime to achieve a natural daylight ambience. Once you've set the view, switch to the 2D mode and select the light positioned near the window. Now adjust its properties by setting the brightness to 100 and choosing an appropriate lighting color. Then select another light source and increase its brightness to 400 for better illumination. To maintain uniform lighting, duplicate these light sources and place them on the opposite side of the window. Make sure to adjust their positions properly for a balanced effect. After setting up the artificial lights, it's time to add sunlight. Position the sun at the window and modify its color temperature to 4500 Kelvin while setting its brightness to 65% to create a warm, natural glow. To check the result, click on the preview button and observe how the lighting interacts with the scene. Once you're satisfied with the effect, click Save. Choose the desired resolution and generate the final render. Here you can see the beautifully rendered image with a realistic sunlight effect.